recording. It should be on by now. Hey, we're obviously you can't see me. I'm not going to take the time to unbuckle my helmet and face it. Oh yeah, thanks.
Hello.
So, hi. Yeah, we're gonna ride our dirt bikes. This is Jungle Highway. In the video on CapCut, I'll edit it to show like what you'll type into the search bar.
No, but still post a video with all these.
Yeah, I'm gonna post a video and I'm gonna tag you. This is Dirtbike 207. Go subscribe to their channels. Wow, that sounded weird. Saying like,
Never wear a snowmobile helmet. It sucks.
yes, he's stuck with that helmet.
It's not bad, but it's like.
Yeah. Don't. You know what? Like and subscribe if you want to. I'm not telling you to. All right. This is
My baby.
this is Zach's bike. This is my bike, and then this is Josh's bike.
You just,
Right there. What?
You look that way when you're like, this is Josh's bike.
Yeah, he's over there, and so they could see him over there.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, camera.
What was that, bro? Did you try to like rizz up the camera?
Oh, I'm not trying to do that. No, I can do it. Look.
Oh my gosh, bro! I can't resist it.
Yeah, there are some Karens. There's some Karens, like literally. We were on.
Well, no. The person over there wasn't a Karen, bro. They were just being reckless. That's not a Karen.
We're not reckless. They're on this side.
No, not us. They were being reckless.
Yeah, no, they're in the middle of the road on our side.
Yeah. It was a bit down that road a while ago. Down that road quite a ways, or not, like a bit of a ways.
Like a mile and a half.
Yeah, a while ago. There's one Jeep went by, and then right behind it was another SUV, and this guy was like, slow the F down, and we just drove by. Honestly, we weren't going really fast. It wasn't an issue of speed, but I was in their lane, so that might have been what was going on, but apparently they swerved into our lane too, so I don't know. Let's just forget about that. I don't gotta hold no grudges against anyone, but yeah, let's go ride. Oh wait, I gotta turn the fuel on. Yeah, I don't need a key for mine. Mine's a 1991, so it's pretty old-fashioned. Yo, what's up?
You turned my gas off.
You out of gas?
No, you turned my gas off.
Oh, sorry. I thought it should be off.
Good.
All right. You go. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. He's gonna kill himself. Awesome. I got it into neutral that time.
I can do it first try.
I think I'm gonna take a break, but yeah. That was fun.
Yeah.
By the way, that's Josh's dad. Bro, that was fun. My hand is so tired from. So yeah, he doesn't have bike gloves or a normal helmet, so he's stuck with that
I'm
fit.
broke.
Yeah.
I don't have money, bro.
Yeah, my clutch is so hard to pull. Holy.
I want my clutch to be like that. I wonder if I can do a wheelie on this. Which one's lighter? Which one do you think's lighter?
I don't know, but like yours is easier to pull the clutch, and I like that. I wish I had that. All right, try do a wheelie on yours, and then try to do a wheelie on mine. I always do it in first gear. I always do it in first gear.
So how I do a wheelie is I just rev it and let go of the clutch.
Oh, let go of the clutch.
You
I just go like a slow speed on first, and then I gun it a bit and pull up or jump down, go down and jump up.
let's see if I could do it without crashing.
Oh yeah, by the way, that is a CRF 80 Honda. That's a Honda XR 80. I'm just gonna show you this in a sec. Just for a sec. Give me more throttle! Josh's is a TTR 110 Yamaha, and that's a TTR 230 Yamaha. No, bro, you're not doing it right. Trying to do a wheelie, but he's not doing it right. Ooh. Yeah. I don't pop the clutch and I do a wheelie. That's a sick chest plate.
He needs to sit down.
Yeah.
Also needs to adjust the idle.
Yeah.
You need to adjust your idle.
Hmm. Holy crap, dude! He's gonna scrape his disc guard. Oh no, that's not a disc guard, the chain wheel guard thing, whatever that is. Yeah, I have one too. When I dump the clutch, it doesn't wheelie for me. We could only.
You don't dump it, you just give it a as you let off the throttle.
Yeah. If we were on like tarmac, or not tarmac, like a paved road, it would be way easier just to dump the clutch and do it.
Hold up, stop right there. Stop. You need to adjust your idle.
My idle?
Huh?
What's wrong with it?
Way too high.
It can be higher than that, just a little bit higher.
No. And it's also like you to blow up if you have your idle lower.
It's fine.
Let me try dumping the clutch. I haven't.
I wouldn't say dump it, but pull it in about halfway, and then as you let go, you do have to have good
Yeah.
clutch control, but you just go again.
Yeah, I won't like full on dump it, but I know what you mean. Yeah. was pretty high. Yo, come over here, come over here. Bro, that last one was so high. Yo, come here. Yo, one of you guys record me doing a wheelie. I think I figured out how to do it really good. Yeah. So take that off, pull it. You're gonna pull it towards you. I just wait, no. I need to figure out where Thing's gonna die on me. It's like a thing you gotta press together. Alright, take the helmet.
Take the helmet, take mine then.
No. I don't want to suffocate.
Give me the helmet.
No. It's just a little wheelie. And since we can't get the GoPro off, or actually no, keep it on. I can get it off. No, keep them dying. Yeah. Whoa, not that high, bro. Come here. No, just record me doing it. Oh, wait, keep it on a little bit more while I get my helmet on.
What?
Keep the throttle on, like, quickly. Or just a little bit longer. Alright, good.
Don't die.
Thanks. I think I got it that time.
Yeah.
So, if you want to try too, I can record you.
I don't know if I can do it on this.
This what you do is, instead of sitting down, stand up and use all your force to pull.
Oh yeah, that's what I figured out. And you don't want to stay your butt here, stay your butt back here.
Yeah. I think yours might be heavier since it's a newer version. Actually, no, that wouldn't make sense. They use lighter parts. Oh, wait, yeah. Idiot.
Am I doing it on this or?
Oh, wait, you want to do it on mine?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Flip it.
I'm tired, bro.
Yeah, right after this, I think we're gonna take a break. Maybe for the day. I don't know. I at least need to give my hand a break. Alright. Tire rack. Oh crap, it's about to die. Do it quickly. The GoPro's about to die. He did it pretty good there. Yeah, I'm not going to expose their license plate, as I'd rather not face any bums trying to give me a lawsuit, or whatever, trying to sue me. But we are abusing this motor. Its RPMs are like... I feel bad, honestly. It is a very slow bike, though. Oh, check this out. do an outro. Come on, it's about to die, so I just want to finish this up. It's for luck. Alright. Yeah. We did some biking. All the dirt bikes. Subscribe to Zach's channel and Josh's channel because they post good content. I do too.